using the Facebook. I can make a YouTube live. So the same machine, we can do every multiple function from one machine. So if you see the YouTube, you will have a 1080p progressive broadcasting from same output, while the Facebook doing the Facebook 720p. So basically, we are using right now the chroma key, the green screen, but actually what we make new one is not need the chroma key. We call this is AR Virtual Studio, augmented reality. So that means you can use this one for everywhere. So all the ideas I'm doing is making this machine for presentation device. Not only the PowerPoint presentation, it's like you see, we bring any 3D object which can make interactive function for them to use. I can remove this one very easily like this. I mean, here, I can remove something like that. So on this studio, we have this one now showing the menu. So in this menu, you have 12 switches, and every the switcher, which is a 3D effect switcher, can be pre-designed for you to use. But I make some rules where everything can be made automatically. So basically, my idea is bring this machine in every office to turn their presentation over the smart world. So once you put this machine in conference room or your room or your office, it means you can do live presentation to everywhere. And very important thing is, if you use this method for your presentation, we emphasize watching this video is actually better than watching at the classroom. So once we really prove that the lecture or classroom teaching using my machine is making better presentation in the classroom, that means same video we can go everywhere, same video we can record, so they can be replayed in everywhere. This is the kind of new tools for education. If you look at all the classroom, the technology in the classroom has not been dramatically changed as we have right now. In everywhere, smart world is coming, but actually in the classroom, still they don't have any new technology except the desktop or any lectern or electric board there. But still everybody has to come to the class to listen to the class, and every teacher has to be on the classroom. That's a strange thing. So nobody believes remote presentation is better than the conventional way. And what we are emphasizing is the way of virtual, the way of AR, MR can create better classroom than conventional classroom. There's a big message on this planet. That's what we are trying to prove.
Are there other solutions like this?
No, we are the only one, and we are trying to put all the many pattern now. So once this one pattern become international pattern, I believe it will be big news. And this one actually can go any camera angle change. For example, when I do this one, and then when I bring the monitor one here. So this monitor, for example, I can make a smaller size, bigger size very easily to have different view. So all the studio, if you go there, they have several cameras switching from here and there, not to make any boring of the presentation. But here, all this camera action we can do by the presenter. So presenter can set the camera like this. If you want to make it bigger, you can make it bigger. So, and if you try to make a second monitor, for example, here, to make it bigger, yes, you can make it bigger immediately. That way, we can do this.
Who's the target user?
This target user is everybody. teacher, lawyer, doctors. All the doctors has to put their information on the cloud so people can find the doctor easily. So there are very limited way for doctor to show what his technology is. There are too many people talking about lawyers. If you try to find a good lawyer, you should review what his specialty is. So far, everybody watching website. The concept of visiting website has to transform to see their speech. So they will understand more people's information than only documentation. So it's time to bring the video information on the cloud, on the website. So every company has a site where the teacher say about talking about company, talking about CEO. Now, once you have this capability, they can do very well with this information. Yeah. Right. Yeah. Thank you for visiting. I will continue for presentation for other things. 지금 정영진 선생님 고맙습니다. 다시 또 한번 찾아뵙겠습니다. 감사합니다. Bye. See you later.